Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.